Okay, okay. Time to check the stream. Check the stream. How am I checking the stream? All right, let's go to content, live, Blender stuff, click, click, close. Okay, there we go. Check the other one, stream manager. Yep, still there. Ugh. Yo, what's up, G? How you going? I gotta mute that. Alrighty. 8 a.m. stream. Yes, it is. I'm not tired enough to go to sleep, but I also have nothing else to do right now because it's 8 a.m. So I'm just going to stream, I guess, and keep working on the character. Okay. Let me think. What am I doing for this character? So I've got some basic blend shapes here. I need to turn all these off. These are going to cause issues if I leave them on. Damn it. It's going to be a pain turning all these off. Definitely doesn't help that the mouse keeps shooting upwards every time I move it. What? It's already bad? Damn, dude, that's unlucky. Like, it's only the start of the day, too. Did you, like, wake up, stub your toe, milk was off, stuff like that? Hopefully it's nothing worse than that. Taking ages to get rid of all these damn things. Note to self. In the future, save before you test the face shapes, or else you're going to have to spend ages turning all these fucking things off. Oh wow. Yeah, that would definitely fucking suck. Wow. Are you not able to just like damn, 88 degrees. I wouldn't I wouldn't suffer. I'd just like fuck, bro. I'd like if I was you, I would just like go to like a local library or like a mall or something, just somewhere else with aircon where I could just like be on a laptop or something and do something else. Like there's no fucking way in hell I'd ever just sit in a room. It's 38, 37 degrees. That'd be too much for me. That'd be way too much for me. It reminds me when I was back in school, except we had fans there, so it wasn't too bad, but still. God, I can't imagine living without aircon again. It'd be too much for me. Save. Okay, now that we saved that, we can start adding the different, what is it called? The different faces? The different what? Expressions. So we need to look up the you know what? We need to import the reference again from the other character. And I deleted it, so let's re-import it. So let's go to Blender,
Look at the chat line fast.
'Open it up. 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 The room is so small I have to physically get up in my chair to open the fridge. Okay, see that one is a normal thing. Like that's not really something that I would ever complain about having to get up just to open the fridge. That's that's not really a big deal compared to the last thing that you said. Um, where is this file? Oh, found it. I'm just going to clear parent and keep inverse. Then I'm going to copy this, bring it over here, paste it. What? I literally said clear parent. Why did it refuse to work? Okay, let's undo that. So clear parent, keep inverse. Clear parent, keep inverse. Oh, because I still have the modifier. Hopefully now it doesn't keep it. Never mind, it's still being a piece of shit. Alright, what's happening here? Why is it not clearing the parent? I did that like 100 times. Copy. Paste. What? It's still copying the... Damn you, skeleton. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what are the visims that I need for... What is it called? VR chat again? I forget. Which one's up? Is it this one or is it the AEIOU? I don't remember. Oh, that's what you meant. Damn. That's unfortunate. A. What's happening here? Are there two meshes here again? Let's just delete this, see what happens. Okay, let's not delete that then. We'll delete this one. And now we should be able to have a look at what the ones we need. Do I need the AEIOU? I don't remember. I'm going to ignore it for now, and if I need to, I'll add it later. But I'm pretty sure it's these ones that I need. Actually, I'm just going to open up Unity, and I'm going to see what the character descriptor says. So we'll just say VR companion. Okay, that might take a bit to open. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but I haven't opened it today, so it probably might take a minute. And then I'll just like look at the descriptor and see what it expects. If it expects nothing, then it's all good. If it expects something, then not so good, but what can you do? It takes a really long time. Oh, there we go. Or not. Okay, let's have a look. If I click on the body and I look at the character descriptor, when I look at, where is it? Expressions, no, not expressions. I want lip sync. This auto detect. Okay, so it's SIL. Let me go back to Blender real quick. Oh wait, I just closed the wrong thing, didn't I? Fuck. Damn it, I closed the wrong one. Whoops. Seven. And I didn't save adding it. But I did save the blend shape, so it's not all bad. Okay. We'll take this, paste it back in again. Cool. Don't save that one. Move this up. What do we need to do now? Oh, whoops, I'm doing the other one. Let me just have a look. So we have Sil. Okay, that's good. PP. Actually, I'm gonna just move this to a different screen so I can look at them at the same time. Okay, so we got Sil. PP. A. Is it a double A there, or is it okay? So PP is. I don't see PP. Oh wait, yes I do. FF. I see FF. What about TH? I see TH. DD. I see DD. I see KK. I think. Wait, no, I don't. Yes, I do. CH. Yep. SS. Yes. NN. Yes. RR. Yes. AA. Wait, there was already an AA, wasn't there? Yes. No, there wasn't. Okay, never mind. E. Is there an E here? There is not an E here. Damn it. So I have to use the vowel. What the hell is IH? What? An O? IH and O. And U. What? I'm so confused. What the hell are those supposed to be? Ah, whatever. I'm just gonna close it and I'm just gonna do the vowels in that one and then I'll just fill it. So where is the Unity? I'll close it now. Don't save. Close character companion. All right, so we'll click on you. Scroll over to AA. And we'll do this one first. What do you look like? This. We will hide the bones because we don't need to see that. And then we will do the face shape. Do I scope? No, probably not. Probably just go edit mode. But I need to actually add a blend shape. So we'll make the new blend shape. Call it AA. I'm going to use capital for it actually. And then we go to edit mode. Grab this one, could use proportional, and then we'll just throw it up. Cool, but I need to have a look at this mesh and see how much it moves. Is it more of a down motion? Oh, it's both actually, it's both. Okay. We'll come back to this one, go to edit mode. Make it down. We'll put symmetry on, and then we'll move this like so. Might need... Actually, what happens to the corners of the mouth? Do the corners of the mouth go down? They do. Okay. Let's come back to this one. What does the corners of the mouth do for this? Nothing? Okay. We need to bring them down a little bit. Which means we need to bring this down more. Bring this out more. Maybe bring this out more too. And then make this a little better. Okay. Let's change this to a 3D viewport and we'll compare it. Okay, that shape does not look the same. Guess I just bring it up more. Bring this out more, I suppose. And I just hit that. That's not what I wanted. Maybe I need to use the sculpt mode and smooth it. I really don't like the way this looks right now. That was not the correct call. Yeah, maybe I need to just go wider. Let's grab the... Actually, let's go back to edit mode. And we'll just pull it out a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good for now. So we have A. So what about... Yeah, I still don't actually really like the shape of this. Let's go back into sculpt mode. And let's quickly adjust it with this. There we go, that's a little, not so much actually. Okay, that's a little better. Let's have a look at the actual, with it in action. Yeah, that's good. Okay, cool. Now let's switch over from AA to uh er, 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 er. I guess that makes sense for an R sound. I don't know. I mean, not for an R sound, for an R shape. We'll select you. You can go grab this one and just lift it up, I guess. And then lift this one down a little bit. Yeah, probably gonna lift it up more. Yep, I think that's fine. Okay, what comes after RR? SS. But what does SS actually look like? This shape. Very well. Actually, does that come out with the thing? Yeah, the corners come out. So we'll grab the corners, pull them out. Like so. I don't have any music on. I need to put music on. Why am I not listening to music? Very nice. Do I want to lift this more? Not really. I'd rather just pull this down a little more. Okay, cool. Actually, does it come out enough? I'm actually going to pull it out a little more. Okay. What comes after SS? SIL. SIL. Okay, now we go to this one. What? That doesn't do anything. Unless I don't have the object selected? Wait a minute. Huh. Okay, the shape key does, what is it called? Fuck all. Neat. Let's skip that and go to KK then. KK. Ah, okay. What does KK look like though? I guess that makes sense. Okay. We'll grab this and grab that. Does the cheeks, I mean the corners come out? Not really. Oh, but jaw also drops. I didn't consider that. I'm going to ignore that. I don't really want to have the jaw move. I'm going to just do flapping mouth anime style. I can always change it later if I please. Next we'll do F. It's weird how low the jaw drops, but the actual point here doesn't drop with it. Okay. FF. Go into edit mode. Okay. Actually, I probably have to bring it in a bit, don't I? Yes. All right. What comes after FF? PP. What does this look like? I see. Really? P, 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 p. I guess so. The mirror agrees with it, so I guess I'll do that. All right. PP, enter, put it up, go to edit, grab this. Like so. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I don't feel like exaggerating it too much. And N. Wait, what? How does that make sense? That doesn't, right? Mm. An N sound requires to have nice. Nice. I think this is the wrong shape key. That doesn't make sense. Mm. Maybe it's not supposed to be NN. Maybe it's supposed to be like an MM. Okay, I see now. Yeah, it's supposed to be an MM, but for some reason it's NN. Weird. Okay. Okay. NN. I think that's fine. I don't want to make it exaggerated as this. What does CH look like? Oops. I suppose. Just go into edit mode. Grab this up. Grab this down. Pull this in. And I think that's enough. Let's go to the next one. DD. Okay, DD is what? This shape. So the top lip seems to stay. I feel like this person lifts their top lip too much. I feel like she probably shouldn't go. I don't know. Like, if you're going to exaggerate shape, you should really probably be bringing it down more than lifting it up. But maybe I'm wrong about that.
Look at the shiny line fast.
Oh, will they be streaming today? 2 p.m. Hmm. See, the problem, right, with it being 2 p.m. today is that I didn't sleep last night. So when I go to sleep today, waking up at 2 p.m. is going to be very difficult. How long does the stream last? Maybe I can catch the end of it. Yeah, so D. After D, we want TH. It's only 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to watch that then. Because I'm probably going to be going to sleep at like 11 a.m. and then waking up at like 6 p.m. or something. Or like 7 p.m. So yeah. I mean, I guess I could just watch like there should be a VOD for it, right? I'll just watch the VOD afterwards. I probably should start watching streams more. I'm pretty sure when people stream, you're supposed to like I don't know. Maybe not. It's hard to say because like it's not like I stream because I want to be like a streamer. I'm just doing it because it's like a useful way to keep track of time and to stay like focused and to not just but I don't know. Maybe I should watch other streams to see how people stream. Maybe give me ideas. Maybe I could implement into my own. TH. Okay. Let's try and get this shape. That didn't work. I grabbed the wrong thing there. TH. What sounds a TH? Like the. Wait, no, that's not right. The. The. Hmm. Is mine? Whoa, actually, no. I've dropped that way too much, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna have to grab that edge loop and bring it up a little. Like so. Yeah. Let's have a look at that now. Yeah, it's a little better. Okay. Let's look at... Oh, wait, that's the last one of those ones. Okay, let's go up to the vowels now and try to implement the vowels. I'm a little confused to where I'm supposed to put the vowels because there wasn't really a lot there, but we'll just have to see. Yeah, that's a big shape. Okay. So we'll move this up a little bit. Then we'll bring this down. Bring this up, honestly. Honestly, I bring it down way more. Like that. Bring it in a little bit, though. Honestly, it still doesn't seem big enough. I'm gonna grab this edge loop, and I'm just gonna scale it up. And then maybe even bring it up a little bit. In fact, I'm gonna make it even bigger. Yeah. That's a happy looking face. Ah, indeed. Okay, we'll leave it like that. So that's A. What is I? That is I. I go into edit mode. Split out. Split down. So we want it to be somewhat even. In fact, yeah, we'll put this down as well. Pull it up a bit as well. And then we'll actually pull it out a little more. We might pull it down a little more. Okay. Now what do we do? Gotta change it. So after I, what do we have? U. Okay, that's the shape I'm familiar with. Where is the U over here, though? Oh, this one's actually going to be a little hard to do, I think. Hmm. That's odd. Why is one of those vertices not getting pulled together?
Look at the chat line box.
So when I said what is it called? What did I say? When I said I'm not trying to be a streamer, I didn't mean as in making money. I meant as in making actual good streams. Like making a good, enjoyable stream isn't really a priority of mine. That's what I meant by not trying to be a streamer. Since I imagine that most of the people that you're talking about, like the person that you're talking about, actually puts an effort to make sure they have a good stream. But that's not something I really prioritize, and I don't know if I should prioritize because, as I said, it's not like I'm using streaming as a means of, wanting to be a streamer. I'm just doing it as just a way to track the amount of hours I work and like stay focused and just not be bored and just talk and stuff to other people and just to make it the process a little bit more entertaining for myself more so than for other people. I don't know what happened here, but the mirror modifier is not working too well. Not very happy about that. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Maybe I should have it smaller. Yeah, I'll have it smaller, whatever. Okay. After U is E. Oh no, no, it's not a bad communication thing. I don't know. I just think it's like it is true. Like if she's doing it because she's playing games, that's like yeah, yeah, that makes sense. But at the same time, I would still assume that if they're streaming, playing games and stuff, part of their priority is to actually like be an entertaining person at the same time. Like if they've gone through the effort of having like a VTuber model, then you would assume that performance is part of their priority. So like you can still enjoy something, but like part of being a good streamer is also being entertaining at the same time. So what I'm saying is that I'm not like I'm just personally not sure if I want to put effort into being a good streamer because yeah, but I imagine someone who's playing video games and stuff probably does want to put more. Probably, I would assume they have some sort of priority and like some sort of wish to like be entertaining and stuff. But who knows? Maybe they don't. Honestly, I don't know the person, so there's good. Then maybe you're right. Maybe they just that's not a priority at all, and they just don't. But most people tend to want to be good at the thing that they do, and part of being a good streamer is to actually what is it called? Is
Look at the
yeah.
chat line.
Yeah, yeah. Best idol indeed. All right. Oops, that's the wrong way. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do like part of my stream have like different segments to do like things other than me just working. Because like I was thinking of like because one of the things I wanted to do right was like the workshop type based stuff where I teach people or like maybe not teach people, I help people like learn to do like the stylized art. Because I get a lot of questions a lot of the time when I'm on Reddit or just on YouTube or whatever social media I post to, of people asking me how to do stuff. So, I mean, that idea is still in the back of my mind. And I'm thinking maybe I should like implement something like that in my streams, maybe like half an hour before I just do like a community-based thing, or maybe in the middle of it, I do like a an activity segment where I do something, but I'm still not sure. Honestly, I'm just trying to get this goddamn model done first, because like it is taking way longer than I would have liked it to. Is this O? Um, Interesting. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Oh, bring this down, bring this up, go into scope mode, round it out, do it again, go edit mode, bring it down more, bring it in. Yeah, the mouth shouldn't really come up, it should really just come down more. Bro, why do you keep doing that? Okay, I guess I just go to scope mode then. That looks sort of ugly from the side view, but I think what's that word? Don't care. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. Sorry, not don't care, that was what I was looking for. What I meant to say is I don't give a shit. Alright, I think that's alright for the shape. Cool. So we've got the we have the AEIOU. We have the what is it called? The what is it called? So we have the AIOU, and we have the vowels. That is the AIOU. What the hell am I saying? Maybe I do need to go to sleep. Okay. So we've got the blend shapes for the AR kit. We've got the consonants. We've got the vowels. Is there any other blend shapes this character needs? I don't think so, because I'm pretty sure I can make expressions by just using these 50 whatever blend shapes. So I don't think I have to add any expression blend shapes. That might be overkill. The question now is, what do I do? I think I just implement this into, what's it called? Unity now. Start setting up the character descriptor. And, you know, just get that part out of the way. And then tomorrow I can start working on the hair. All right, let's do that. So we save, grab this, file, export, FBX. Where do I save this to? Unity export, new folder, head. We'll do selected objects, and we won't do animation, and then we'll export it. Shoot, I didn't think about the modifiers. I'm gonna have to turn the modifiers off. Actually, shoot. What I also didn't consider is the mask. Put a line art for the head. I don't really remember how it works. I'm gonna just export it as is for now, and then I'll see if I need what type of mask I need. So export FBX. Okay, why did I call this 7 and not head? That was silly. Export. Alright, let's open Unity again. Character creator, open project. Unity export. Head. We'll delete 7. And actually, did I actually remove that blend shape? I mean, not blend shape, that modifier? I did. Nice. Okay. So we got body, we got clothes. Let's now bring in head. We also need to save the texture. So we'll go to head, image, save as, head. I guess I just call it face, PNG. No, no, save image as. Let's go back to layout. Oh wait, I didn't consider the UC paint. Okay, yeah, I didn't consider UC paint. I need to what? Bake to color channel? Yeah. Just 4K. Okay. And now we wait. There we go. Export. FBX. Head. Wait, I don't want to head FBX. I want to export the texture. What did I just generate? Pretty sure it's this one, right? Yeah. Image, save as. Go out to Unity export. Head. Base color. Save image as. All right. Now I'll drop in the head. I just realized the skin color for the body is still off. Oh well. Oops, I forgot. The head needs the materials. We'll just do legacy, apply. Bro, that is so slow. I think I have too much shit open. Let's start closing stuff. What else could I possibly close? I guess I'll just leave it as is. Go into materials. Let's find the face color. Drop that in. Go to face paint. We'll change this to Little Toon. Then we'll go into the main color. Drop in the face color. Wait, where's the... Wait, what? Yeah, accidentally clicked onto it. Okay, we do that. Now let's look at the outline. Now, what does it use for the outline when it comes to the mask? It uses or it uses okay. Yeah, I think I need to go back into Blender and paint a mask. I don't know what the mask is supposed to look like, but I'll just do a random mask and see what happens. So let's add a new texture. We'll just make a new one. We'll just make it an emission and we'll just call it mask. Mask. And then what do we do after we grab the mask? I guess we'll make a new thing here, emission, okay. We will go into fill. Well, fill is white. Go to edit mode, select it all, assign to this one. And then after doing that, select this. Come on, just select it. And oh, we already have the hide vertex group. Okay, so we'll go to that one. We will select hide. Interesting. Okay, new plan. We're going to make everything black instead of white. New image, mask. Don't have to say layer, just say mask. We will make it just 1K, I guess. Fill it with black, that didn't work. Fill everything with black. Alright, why is everything not working then? Alright, what's happening here? Why is this white? Where the hell is this? So small. The fuck? What is happening here? Is this not unwrapped? I don't think it is. Okay. We'll select these two objects and then we'll unwrap it by angle based, I suppose. Damn it, I'm gonna have to export the head again. That's unfortunate. Oh well. What do I do after this point? Well, it's all black now, which is what I wanted, I guess. So now I'll go back to texture paint. And I'll go to... Where is it? We'll do the mask mode. No, we need to actually select it first. So we'll go to the hide, select, go back to... Actually, I'm going to grab the ears as well. I want the ears to have lines. Okay, now we go back to texture. And we make it white. God damn it. And we mask it and make it white. Okay, hopefully this mask works and does what I want it to do. So we'll go to texture paint, save it as, and we'll call it mask. I just realized I had the Unity open that whole time. God damn it. Okay, whatever. So in this one now, what do? We need to add the mask. So we'll drop that into the Unity project. And do I want color? No, mask. Where is it? Down here. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Haha! It worked! That's what I like to see. The highlight is not colored though, so we're going to have to fix that. Okay. That shouldn't be too hard. We're just gonna go back to the face. Switch it back to face paint, assign, all of them, assign. Wait a minute, what's happening here? Wait a minute, what is happening here? Why is it black? Huh? I'm just gonna delete that. What? When did this happen? God damn it, dude. Okay, how do I, so I guess I just undo a bunch of times until it doesn't do that anymore. Okay. It's still doing that? Okay. We just open recent then. Actually, no, we don't do that. Actually, yes, we do. This is stupid. Let's just open recent. Don't save the images. Okay, and now we come back to these eyes. Make sure they get unwrapped. Go to UV editing. Angle base, shrink them down. G, move them over here. And then we just go to texture mode and we make sure that it's filled with white. That didn't work the way I thought it would. There we go. Neat. So I've done that now. Let's save that, because we actually do want that to be that way. And then we will export this, export, FBX. Where is it? Unity export, head FBX. We will rebake the color channels. Okay.
Look at the chat.
Sunday. Is it Sunday? Bro, I am so bad for time right now. Yo, what's up? Shoot. Save as, Unity export. We want to do this one again. I feel like there's something I'm forgetting. Something important. Let's go into the pose mode and let's have a look at the eyes. Yeah. That's a problem. Let's bring it back a bit. We need to weight paint these eyes. Assign. Assign. Didn't do anything. What? I am confused. Why is that not doing anything? I thought I added the weight paint. Okay, it does have armature. And it's also weight painted. Maybe it's not called eye left and eye right. Maybe it's called something else. Oh, it's a dot. I see. That's not a good start. Does eyes just got pulled back? Oh, I know why. Because I didn't change. Okay. So we'll reset the position there, reset the position there. What happens if I rotate these? That doesn't work. And that's also not working there as well. What the fuck? Right. left. Okay, hopefully the eyes are fixed this time. So what's the favor? Yep, that looks fine. That looks fine. I'm just gonna go edit mode, grab these eyes, and move them back because yeah. I think that makes more sense. Okay, they're still not really moving enough, are they? Okay, let's grab it more. Pull them back further. Okay. Go back to edit mode. I think I need them to be further apart now. Like so. Let's try this again. Okay. It's not terrible, but please do individual origins. But there is definitely a lot of clipping on the internal side. And it also doesn't really feel like it comes out enough. Oops. Come on, just work.
You can put the shot.
Did you put like a link or something in it? If you did that, I probably would just stop it. Whatever you asked, YouTube did not like it for whatever reason. Hmm. I still feel like it's not coming out enough. I really want these eyes to sort of... Let's go to medium point. Let's go like that. Okay, now let's go back to individual origins and... Nah, that's bad. So let's just do the internal one because I sort of need to fix that, right? That clipping here. Shit, I'm scared to do that because I don't want it to Oh. Alright, well, just whatever it is, whenever you're ready. I don't know. It's hard for me to comment because I don't know what you're referring. What the question is. Yeah, these eyes do not come back enough. Damn. Do I dare edit the basis? Okay, I'm gonna save. I might end up really regretting it, but we'll just see. Select this, edit mode. No, we need to go to the basis. And then we want this one. We'll grow it out. And actually, I'm going to do one side only and just mirror it over. And then we'll go along with normal. Pull it out. Okay. I mean, that did fix the issue there. So that'll have to do. Okay. File, export as an FBX, Unity export head. Okay. So now that we've fixed up the eyes, we need to do what? Wait, why am I listening to this song? I want to listen to the Miku song now. Alright, what was I doing? This one. We need to remove the head, delete, and then bring it back in. And there are two heads there. That's not my intention. File, export, FBX, selected objects. Hopefully it works this time. One second, I'll have a look at what you're referring to in a moment. I'm just gonna delete this.
Look at the shiny blind fast.
I'll just copy that name right now in case I forget. I'll just Google it. If you can watch. Yeah. I mean, if that's what you're asking, yeah. I was already. I'll check out the next stream probably after I wake up. Is it this person? The wait. What is their YouTube? Wait, so is it the show Kun25? Do I have to look up YouTube or something? Yeah, YouTube at is directly that. Okay, let me check that then. Um, I don't really like sharing my web browser. Is it S-Chan? Is that the person? Wait, now I'm confused. Was this the person that you were talking about before that had the 2 p.m. stream, or is this someone else? Okay. Well, I can check this one out as well. I guess I'll just while I'm going to sleep, just look at some of their videos. Though there's a lot of blood here, and I'm not exactly the I'm not a person that likes gore and blood too much, so I'm not sure how much I'll like this one just based off the first impression, but we'll see. What was I doing for this head? I got the line art here, I got the color here. The color's fucked because I just moved the eyes back. Probably have to redo that, but it's not priority. Right now, let's just do the gesture manager. So we'll grab the head, drop it in, add a component. What do we call this component? I think a VRC Fury armature link. Hips. What? This one works? Okay, so this one didn't do hips, but this head for some reason does hips. Whatever. Fucking stupid ass. Fucking whatever. Anyway. Can I now use the auto detect to get this head here? Auto detect. No. What if I come back to this and I say this one? Interesting.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Well, I mean, I don't really mind loud stuff as long as it's not obnoxious, you know, as long as they're not like loud is okay, but if it's like them spamming like that meme like boosh, boosh, sound over and over again, then we'll have to see. Oh god, it's gonna be so hard to find all the blend shapes. Why can't it auto detect it? Auto detect. Head. Despair. Okay. Okay, PP for PP. FF. Bro, this auto detect sucks, dude. I can't believe it wasn't able to find it when I gave it the correct naming convention. How upsetting. Well, close to the correct naming convention. I guess that's AA. No, I already did AA. I need E. Streamer law, huh? Interesting. For a person that wants to create content for like, what is it called? For like VTubers, I'm really lazy when it comes to actually figuring out what the oh, what the hell is this? What? What was I saying before I got distracted by the terrible texture I just applied? Yeah, like I probably need to watch more like VTubing models, not models, people, characters, streamers, whatever it's called. Probably will give me a better idea for content to make. Wow, why are the eyes still black? Like I could have sworn I could have sworn I textured this already. Unless it's an alpha and that's why it's not working. It could be an alpha. That could be what's happening here. No, it wouldn't be. Wait, let's have a look. Where is the base color? It's not an alpha. So what's the fucking problem? Wait, let's go back to this. I am confused. I don't understand. Um, why is it black here and not the correct color? What am I doing wrong? Let's check the face orientation. Maybe that has something to do with it. Face orientation. Let's check it out. Indeed, that's probably the fucking issue. Alright, at least we know now. So let's go into edit mode. Turn that off. And just quickly fix it. Face, no, it's not face, it's mesh, normals, flip. Let's have a double check. Face orientation. Okay, these are still broken too. Whoops. G? No, that's not right. I want to go L. L, L, L. Nothing but fat L's. That doesn't really make sense in this context, but whatever. I don't know why I said that. Okay, let's say flip. I guess that was the real L there. There we go. Made it make sense. Made it make sense. Face orientation. This one. File. Export. FBX. Head. Now I'm hoping it actually works this time and doesn't be a massive pain. Delete that head. Gone, insect. Damn, that's something. Oh my god, I thought the flies were gone. Okay, FBX, go in. We will go into legacy, apply. That looks better. I'm happy with that. Okay. Let's go back to body. We were figuring out the viz memes. I guess O is just like literally O.
Look at the chat.
Oo is oo, U. Do you want VTuber lore or VTuber model in the future? Yeah, I don't know. Definitely something that's not high on my priority list. Like, once again, like if I was to make a VTuber model for myself, I wouldn't really want to use a female model, and at the same time, I don't really want to make a male model, so I don't really see it happening anytime in the future. I look enable. Let's grab the bones. Uh-oh. Please have the eyes in the head. No, I didn't export the fucking eye bones for the head. Why would I delete that? What's wrong with me? I don't know if it's gonna work if I use the eye bones for this. I guess I'll just try. Though I fucking doubt it'll work. Well, I mean, I don't really want to make a robot either. Like, I'm pretty sure I've said in the past, I don't like doing hard surface modeling like that. I like more organic shapes. One of the reasons I like cloth so much compared to, like, armor. I don't know if this is going to work with the way that I'm setting this up. I seriously doubt it will, but who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky. How do I do this? Oh, I forgot about this one. Damn. Oh well, I guess I'll just okay, we'll do looking up. Oops, that's the wrong one. Wait, is this left? Yeah, it's left. That one. Okay. I still have no idea if this is going to work because these eye bones aren't like connected. But we'll see. Eyelid type. Where's the mesh? It's just head, right? Blink. Oh shoot, I don't have the blink correct. I'm gonna have to re-export it with a proper blink. And I'm gonna have to re-export it with a proper looking down and looking up. Okay. Okay. Let's go into Blender and do that. Let's also minimize Unity. Okay, so let's go to the character and we will look for, let's just save first. Eye blink left and eye blink right. So we'll do eye blink left. Where's eye blink right? It's all the way down here, isn't it? Okay, here it is. Now we will, that was a mistake. Create new from mix. And we'll call this eyes blink. Enter. So we'll get rid of the left now and the right. And we want to do the other one. Look down and look up, right? So I look down left. I look down right? Where is it? I look down right. I'm going to copy this name, scroll down, and then do new shape from mix. I'm going to paste this. I'm going to say eyes look down, not I, because multiple. Okay, so now we're going to get rid of looking down, and we're going to find look up. This one, move, and up. Now we're going to copy this. We're going to create a new shape from mix. Rename it, remove the side, and make it eyes. Now we're going to come back up, reduce this, reduce that. Just confirm that we actually did this one correctly. Nice. Okay, that's not good that it covers part of the eyebrow. That's actually massive pain. It will be faster to just move the eyebrow forward, I guess. That was a mistake. Like so. Now hopefully it doesn't do the clipping anymore now that we've moved it forward. Yep, it doesn't. Cool. So now we will save it here. Export. FBX? Yeah, FBX. Head. Go back to Unity. Let's take this head. Fuck this head. Bring back in the head. And now we do, oh, whoops. Legacy apply. Come back to the character descriptor. Blink is going to be at the very bottom. And it will be eyes blink. Up will be at the very bottom. And it will be eyes up. Maybe that's too far up. And then down. Might have gone overboard with that. Lower body. Expressions. I don't really want to do expressions, honestly. I don't care for that. So the problem now is that I can't really do the eyes because I can't test the eyes without going into like VR chat and having the eyes. Isn't that the situation? Well, regardless, I don't even know if it's going to work. So let's just test it out, I guess. Lip sync. No, not lip sync. I look. Return. We'll save it, and then we'll just upload it to VR chat and hope that it works. And if it works, hell yeah, bro. If it doesn't, okay. Well, we'll see. Build and test. Do 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 do. I wonder if the MMD has the will allow me to test the eye movements. We'll have to see. Let's just go into VR chat and see how this turns out. Hopefully it doesn't try to launch it in VR mode. Okay. Be gone, insect. I think I got it. That was probably a jump scare for anyone listening, or it got cut out. Okay, quit Steam VR. Let's switch over to VR chat now. Transition. VR. All right, let's move the tablet out of the way. Let's go to the mirror. switch from my beautiful dress I made beforehand and switch it to something else. My beautiful dress, but not a single person bought. Feels bad, man. Alright, avatar. Let's go to SDK. I think it's this one. Yeah. Oh, she's fucking big.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
No worries. See yous. I think it's working. Okay. Look how much the eyes go up. Probably went a little too much with that. Or maybe not. Yeah, I probably did do a little exaggerated. Yeah, that's too far, bro. That's way too far. I'm gonna have to turn it down a bit. Okay. But which one do I turn down? I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna cancel out of this game. Go back to Unity. What if I instead get rid of this looking up rotation? Whoa. Uh-oh. What did I just do? I broke it. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Why is it broken? Oh, it's because of the blend shape, I think. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go back to Blender, and I think I need to reduce the up and down blend shapes. Yeah, let's do that. We'll go back to Blender, and we'll just make it not so extreme. How do I do that, though? If I turn the max to 0.5 and I export it with that being the max, does that actually affect the max? I don't know. Let's see. I hope it does, because that will make my life so much more easier. So much easier. Unity export, yeah. Okay, let's go back into Unity now. Grab the head, delete the head. Bring this back in. We will do legacy, apply. I don't think it worked. That's still really high for the up. Okay, what we'll do then is... Shoot. Okay. We'll go back to Blender. Take the eyes up. Whoops. Create new from mix. Turn that off. Remove it. Place the name. Okay, it's good. And I guess we'll do the same for the down. I mean, the down doesn't really need to be affected, I think. I think the down's fine. I like the down, actually. It's just the up that was a little overboard. Okay. Grab you. Export as an FBX. Okay. Let's go back to this one. Delete the head. Drag in the head. Texture, apply. Yeah, that's better. I like that so much more. Okay, let's auto-fix all the things and then do the upload it again and see if it works better and if anything's broken. Where is VR chat? Play non-VR mode. Transition, then go to VR scene. Okay. What is that? I don't know. I don't care. Let's go to the social worlds. My worlds? No, I want to do avatars. What am I doing? Avatars, the test ones, apply. God, she's tall. I should probably change the underwear color from red to like white or something. It looks really weird it being red there. Or I could just give her a longer dress and not have her fucking be flashing every 2 seconds. You know what? The eye actually looks not that great without the up and down affected with it. Let's see. Okay, this isn't actually working. We're gonna have to re-export it. Yeah. Fuck. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. Like so. Okay, let's re-upload it again. Hopefully that fixed it. Because yeah, it's not working now. Like it is not, and now it's just straight up not working. So maybe you need to have the looking up and looking down enabled for it to work. Gotcha. Let's open up VR chat again and see what that's like. Non-desktop mode. Okay, we'll go to the stream and switch it. Whoops. Okay. Let's test it out this time. Hopefully it works. Avatars. Apply. Okay, now it actually does the up and down thing. It's still a little much, but I think it's alright. Let's see what happens when you use the MMD on this. So I actually don't know what it's going to do. Let's go to worlds. My worlds recently visited MMD. And then we'll go new instance. because I don't know if that's going to affect the how it looks, or if that's just not going to be affected at all, and it's just going to do the random thing that it normally does. Okay, let's get rid of NPC. Wait, why am I so short? I'm using the wrong character. Reset, random start. Reset, random start. That's seam-lined, bro. It's so obvious. God damn. Is there a way to make this seem line not so fucking obvious? Interesting. The body's clipping through pretty badly. Yeah, the eyes don't do anything in this animation, dude. I guess the MMD doesn't have the eyes part of the actual, like, thing. The head seems like it's a little high. Might need to bring it down a bit. I don't know. I think this is it for today. I think the head's in a fine spot. The eyes are working. The head's there. We've got. I've already tested out the What is it called? What is it called? The ARKit blend shapes in Blender. So that seems to be working. So I guess tomorrow we start on the hair again. And try to get that thing to bloody work. Yeah, it'll just have to do. Alright, let's close this, and I think I'll stop the stream now. Thank you for anyone who was watching, will watch, and all that jazz. I'm gonna stop for today. I hadn't streamed for very long, but I already streamed earlier today, so not terrible, I guess. Oh, bye-bye. Till next time.